Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking compatibility. Does your car have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or an HDMI/USB input? Once confirmed, pick the simplest path, USB connection or screen mirroring over Wi-Fi. Make sure you enable Do Not Disturb to avoid interruptions. This protects safety and audio quality. If you plan offline playback, download videos in advance using YouTube Premium. Connect the phone physically when possible. It reduces lag and keeps charging steady, which prevents unexpected shutdowns during the process. With the physical or wireless link active, grant permissions on both devices, media access, location, and screencasting. Open YouTube and select Cast or Mirror from the player. If using Android Auto or CarPlay, use their compatible apps or a safe playback method. Once casting, route audio to Bluetooth or the car's AUX/USB output so sound plays through speakers. Make sure screen orientation and timeout are locked, and play a short clip to confirm sync. This prevents surprises once you start driving. Finish by mounting the device securely. Position it for passenger viewing only and obey local laws. Tweak audio levels and enable subtitles if needed. Disable autoplay to prevent inappropriate or distracting next videos. Once everything looks good, set the app to downloaded mode for long trips to conserve mobile data. If playback stalls or drops, reboot the phone or tablet, replug the USB cable, or switch to a downloaded file. This simple restart often resolves buffering, permission, or connection glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.